Hello everyone. Today I'm in Nissan X-Trail, and in this video I'll show you what is and how to manage ProPilot feature. ProPilot basically is a set of the safety systems, ADAS, combined into one single button located on the steering wheel. In basics, it combines lane centering and cruise control. But nowadays, there are basically 4 types of ProPilot. Depending on the car you are driving, the ProPilot can only keep the car in the center, or it can also... Depending on the car you are driving, the ProPilot can keep the car in the center of the lane and also keep driving autonomously, making its way to your destination. In more advanced versions of the ProPilot, the car has mapped 3D roads of highways, thanks to which you can even drive without holding the hand. The ProPilot in some versions can suggest you overtaking, can autonomously turn the wheel, turn the car, or even go to the complete stop. Follow me how to turn it on and how to manage it. Firstly, take a look at the steering wheel. Here we've got this blue button. Press it to activate ProPilot. Of course, put on drive, and now the ProPilot is basically turned on. Next, you can change distance from the following car by pressing this button. You can increase speed by pressing cancel button upwards, or decrease speed by pressing cancel button downwards. Next, to turn off ProPilot, press this button. The ProPilot also includes steering assist. That helps you stay in the center of the line. Let me show you how it works while driving. Make sure that the seat belts are fastened. And now when you drive, press ProPilot button and press set. Now the car will on its own increase the speed or decrease the speed according to the speed of the following car. In case you are drifting from your lane, the car will automatically adjust the position. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.